Welcome to Best Shot Travel. Today we're exploring the incredible United Kingdom, from bustling cities to ancient castles. Let's start with London's crown jewel. Westminster Abbey has witnessed centuries of history. Tower Bridge remains an engineering marvel. The changing of the guard draws crowds daily. The British Museum houses treasures from around the world. Covent Garden buzzes with street entertainment. The London Eye offers breathtaking panoramic views. River cruises reveal London from a unique perspective. Royal palaces showcase Britain's regal heritage. Hyde Park offers green respite in the urban jungle. Harrods represents luxury shopping at its finest. Camden Market offers alternative culture and vintage finds. Leadenhall Market is a Victorian architectural gem. Borough Market is a foodie's paradise. St. Paul's Cathedral dominates London's skyline. Modern bridges connect London's historic districts. Stonehenge has mystified visitors for over 4,000 years. This prehistoric wonder draws millions annually. Roman baths in Bath showcase ancient engineering. Georgian architecture makes Bath a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Medieval castles tell tales of knights and battles. Great halls hosted medieval feasts and ceremonies. Windsor Castle remains the world's oldest occupied castle. Dungeons reveal the darker side of medieval life. The Cotswolds epitomize English countryside charm. Rolling hills and sheep farming define rural England. Village pubs serve as community gathering places. English gardens showcase horticultural artistry. Canterbury Cathedral is England's spiritual heart. Medieval stained glass tells biblical stories. Dover's white cliffs have welcomed travelers for centuries. Dover Castle guarded England's gateway for 900 years. York Minster is northern England's Gothic masterpiece. The Shambles preserves medieval street architecture. Hadrian's Wall marked the Roman Empire's northern frontier. The Lake District inspired poets and nature lovers. But England's story doesn't end there. Bamburgh Castle, perched on the wind-swept Northumberland coast, is said to be haunted by the ghost of a tragic princess. In the heart of the countryside, sheepdog trials showcase the incredible partnership between shepherd and dog, a tradition passed down for generations. Maypole dancing brings villages together each spring, with ribbons swirling in a joyful celebration of renewal. The ruins of Tintagel Castle, shrouded in legend, are linked to the tales of King Arthur and Merlin the Wizard. Quaint thatched cottages and colorful gardens dot the landscape, offering a glimpse into timeless English village life. Local fairs fill the summer air with laughter, games, and the aroma of traditional treats like toffee apples and Cornish pasties. The rolling South Downs and dramatic moors of Dartmoor invite hikers and dreamers alike, with wild ponies roaming free. In tiny market towns, centuries-old traditions like cheese rolling and Morris dancing keep England's quirky spirit alive. From misty mornings over ancient ruins to golden sunsets across patchwork fields, England's countryside is a living storybook. Every corner holds a new adventure, a hidden legend, and a warm welcome. This is the heart of historic England. Edinburgh Castle dominates Scotland's capital from its ancient volcanic perch. The Royal Mile connects castle to palace through centuries of history. Bagpipers fill Edinburgh's streets with haunting Highland melodies. Holyrood Palace served as home to Scottish royalty. Loch Ness holds mysteries in its deep, dark waters. Highland cattle are perfectly adapted to Scotland's rugged terrain. Glencoe showcases the raw beauty of the Scottish Highlands. Highland Trails offer some of Europe's most spectacular hiking. The Isle of Skye offers dramatic landscapes and ancient legends. Dunvegan Castle has been home to Clan MacLeod for 800 years. Scottish whiskey distilleries craft liquid gold in Highland valleys. Whiskey tastings reveal the complex flavors of Scotland's national drink. Glasgow Cathedral represents Scotland's religious heritage. Kelvingrove houses one of Europe's great civic art collections. Glasgow's street art scene transforms the city into an outdoor gallery. Glasgow's nightlife rivals any European city. Highland Games celebrate Scottish strength and tradition. Tartan patterns tell the stories of Scottish clans. Scottish folk dancing keeps ancient traditions alive. Stirling Castle witnessed pivotal moments in Scottish history. Scotland's wild heart beats in its ancient glens, where red deer roam free and golden eagles soar above the misty hills. Beyond Loch Ness, shimmering waters like Loch Lomond and Loch Awe reflect the ever-changing Scottish sky. Each winter, the Up Festival lights up Shetland with blazing Viking longships and fiery parades. The Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo fills the castle esplanade with the thunder of drums, the skirl of bagpipes, and dazzling displays of Scottish pride. Gaelic language and music echo through the Highlands, connecting Scotland's people to their ancient roots and vibrant culture. Snowdonia National Park showcases Wales's most dramatic mountain scenery. Heritage Railways offer scenic journeys through Welsh valleys. Conwy Castle represents the finest medieval military architecture. The Wales Coast Path offers 870 miles of stunning coastal walking. Cardiff Castle blends Roman, Norman, and Victorian architecture. The Millennium Stadium hosts rugby and football matches. Welsh male voice choirs create spine-tingling harmonies. Brecon Beacons hide dozens of spectacular waterfalls. Giant's Causeway showcases nature's geometric artistry. Legends say giants built this causeway to Scotland. Carrick-a-Rede Rope Bridge tests visitors' courage. The Antrim coast offers one of the world's most scenic drives. Titanic Belfast tells the story of the world's most famous ship. Belfast's murals chronicle the city's journey toward peace. St. George's Market buzzes with local culture and cuisine. Belfast City Hall symbolizes the city's civic pride. Newgrange predates Stonehenge by 500 years. Traditional music sessions keep Celtic culture alive. The Cliffs of Moher offer Ireland's most dramatic coastal views. Irish step dancing showcases Celtic rhythm and precision. But beyond the famous sights, Wales and Northern Ireland are filled with hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Explore the mystical ruins of Dolbadarn Castle, nestled in the shadow of Snowdonia, where legends of ancient princes still echo. In Northern Ireland, the haunting beauty of Dunluce Castle clings to dramatic cliffs, inspiring tales of ghosts and shipwrecks. Local festivals burst with color and music, like the Eisteddfod in Wales, where poetry, song, and dance celebrate Celtic heritage. Discover the glens of Antrim, where waterfalls tumble through emerald valleys, and local legends come alive in every village. From the windswept beaches of Anglesey to the mysterious dark hedges, every corner offers a new adventure and a story to tell. Royal ceremonies maintain centuries-old traditions with military precision. Royal celebrations unite the nation in joyful pageantry. Afternoon tea remains a cherished British institution. Garden parties celebrate the British love of outdoor socializing. Shakespeare's Globe brings the bard's works to life authentically. Stratford-upon-Avon celebrates its most famous son. Oxford University has educated leaders for nearly 1,000 years. Cambridge punting offers a leisurely way to see the colleges. Wimbledon represents tennis tradition at its finest. Village cricket embodies the gentle pace of English summer. Football passion unites communities across Britain. Royal Ascot combines sport with high fashion. London's West End rivals Broadway for theatrical excellence. Street performers bring spontaneous entertainment to London's streets. The BBC Proms celebrate classical music with patriotic fervor. Edinburgh Fringe is the world's largest arts festival. Double-decker buses remain London's most recognizable transport. Red telephone boxes are beloved symbols of British design. Modern Britain celebrates its multicultural diversity. British fashion continues to influence global style trends. From vibrant street festivals to lively parades, communities across Britain come together to celebrate their unique heritage and traditions. Local fairs, food markets, and open-air concerts fill city parks and village greens with music, laughter, and delicious aromas. Everyday life in Britain is a colorful tapestry, where old traditions blend with new ideas, and every smile tells a story. Fish and chips remain Britain's most beloved comfort food. Nothing beats fish and chips by the seaside. Sunday roast brings British families together every week. A full English breakfast fuels the nation for the day ahead. British pubs serve as community living rooms and social hubs. Beer gardens provide perfect spots for summer socializing. Cask ales showcase Britain's brewing heritage and craftsmanship. Pub quizzes test knowledge while building community bonds. Cornish pasties were originally designed as miners' portable meals. Haggis is Scotland's national dish and Burns Night's centerpiece. Welsh rarebit elevates cheese on toast to gourmet status. Yorkshire pudding is the perfect accompaniment to roast beef. Modern British cuisine combines tradition with contemporary innovation. Farmers' markets celebrate Britain's agricultural bounty. Gastropubs revolutionized British pub food with gourmet standards. Food festivals showcase Britain's evolving culinary landscape. Afternoon tea transforms simple refreshments into elegant rituals. The Great Debate, cream first or jam first on scones. British cheeses rival any in the world for variety and quality. Sticky toffee pudding provides the perfect end to any British meal. But British food is always evolving. In cities and towns, vibrant street food markets serve up everything from spicy curries to gourmet burgers and bao buns. Vegan and vegetarian options are now a staple, with creative plant-based dishes delighting locals and visitors alike. For those with a sweet tooth, modern British desserts like Eton mess, banoffee pie, and salted caramel brownies are must-tries. Whether you're sampling street eats or dining in a trendy bistro, Britain's food scene is a delicious adventure for every palate. London's West End comes alive after dark with world-class entertainment. Soho offers London's most eclectic nightlife scene. Rooftop bars provide stunning views of London's illuminated skyline. Camden's music venues launch careers and create legends. Bonfire Night commemorates the failed gunpowder plot with fire and fireworks. Morris dancing keeps ancient English folk traditions alive. May Day welcomes spring with ancient pagan rituals. Harvest festivals give thanks for autumn's agricultural bounty. Glastonbury is the world's most famous music festival. Festival camping creates unique communities of music lovers. The Edinburgh Tattoo combines military pageantry with musical excellence. Notting Hill Carnival brings Caribbean culture to London's streets. Christmas markets transform British cities into winter wonderlands. London's New Year's Eve fireworks attract millions of viewers worldwide. Summer solstice at Stonehenge connects modern visitors with ancient traditions. Royal celebrations inspire spontaneous street parties nationwide. Manchester's music scene produced legendary bands and continues to innovate. Brighton offers seaside nightlife with a bohemian twist. The Cavern Club launched the Beatles and remains a pilgrimage site. Bath's nightlife maintains elegance befitting its UNESCO status. Across Britain, late-night food markets buzz with energy, serving up global flavors and local favorites under twinkling lights. Jazz clubs in cities like London and Manchester fill the night with soulful rhythms and improvisation. LGBTQ+ venues celebrate diversity and pride, lighting up the scene with color, music, and joy. And new festivals, from electronic dance parties to immersive art shows, keep Britain's after-dark culture fresh and exciting. Early morning reveals London's hidden architectural gems without the crowds. Little Venice offers tranquil waterways in the heart of London. Hampstead Heath provides London's best free panoramic views. Dennis Seaver's house offers an immersive journey through London's past. Wales hides dozens of secret waterfalls waiting to be discovered. Ancient stone circles dot the British landscape beyond famous Stonehenge. Cornwall's hidden beaches reward adventurous explorers with pristine beauty. Manor House Gardens preserve centuries of horticultural tradition. Village pubs preserve local stories and community connections. Local farmers' markets connect communities with seasonal, sustainable food. Independent bookshops remain beloved community gathering places. Traditional crafts workshops keep ancient skills alive for new generations. Antique markets offer treasure hunts for unique historical finds. Charity shops hide designer bargains while supporting good causes. Car boot sales offer community bargain hunting and unexpected discoveries. Outlet villages provide designer bargains in picturesque settings. Britain's quirky traditions prove the nation's sense of humor and eccentricity. Even everyday sights become magical in Britain's golden light. British weather may be unpredictable, but it creates spectacular rainbows. From ancient castles to modern cities, from highland peaks to seaside piers. Britain welcomes visitors with open arms and sends them home with unforgettable memories. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy traveling and always smile. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up with our latest videos. But the real magic of Britain lies in the places you stumble upon by chance. A hidden alleyway lined with colorful doors, or a tiny tea room tucked behind a centuries-old church. Join a local festival where neighbors dance in the village square, or discover a secret garden blooming in the heart of the city. Savor a homemade scone at a family-run bakery, or listen to folk music drifting from a pub on a quiet evening. These are the moments that become your own stories, the hidden gems that make every journey unforgettable. So go on, explore, wander, and let Britain surprise you. Your own adventure is waiting, just around the corner.